Welcome back to Healthy Friends, where we share practical tips to help you live a happier and more relaxed life. Today we're going to talk about 7 simple ways to reduce stress in your everyday life. Let's get started. Number 1. Deep breathing. Take a moment to inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. Deep breaths can instantly calm your nervous system. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Whether it's a brisk walk or a yoga session, physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural stress relievers. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Be in the present moment. Try meditation or just focus on your surroundings. It can help reduce stress and anxiety. Number 4. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating nutritious foods can have a positive impact on your mood and overall well-being. Number 5. Effective time management. Plan your day, prioritize tasks, and avoid overloading yourself. This can reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Number 6. Disconnect from technology. Unplug from your devices for a while. Constant notifications can add to your stress levels. Number 7. Cultivate social connections. Spend time with loved ones, share your thoughts and feelings, and build a strong support network. Reducing stress in your everyday life doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these 7 simple strategies, you can enjoy a calmer, happier, and healthier life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips from Healthy Friends.